Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're doing a study vlog because you guys really seem to like my last study vlog. That one got around 1300 views and I'm really grateful for that, and so you guys liked it, so I'm doing it again. So right now it is 11:45 a.m. and I'm gonna make my breakfast because I make it myself. It's like really simple. I just eat bread and eggs and that's all I know how to make, so I make it myself. And I'm also gonna make some hot coffee. I know I told you guys that I don't like hot coffee, but it has started to get a little bit chilly around here, so hot coffee it is. So without wasting any time, let's just go ahead and make the breakfast. So guys, this is my breakfast. I have some scrambled eggs, one bread. I usually take two, but today I was not that hungry. And there's my coffee. If you guys wondering how I did all of that foam, I used a coffee frother and I have some sauce with me. So this is my breakfast, and now I'm just gonna eat it while studying, and I'm gonna share my to-do list with you guys. So guys, this is my to-do list for today. It's a Tuesday today, so I've already had my online classes and my coffee, and today in terms of studying I have to finish physics chapter number 3 and I have to do chapter number 6 in maths. I'm not going to do the whole chapter, I'm just going to do one exercise, and apart from that lots of water because hydration is very important. I have to film the vlog which I'm doing right now, and I have to edit this vlog so I can post it tomorrow. So that's my to-do list for today, and let's just get started now. So guys, I've tied my hair back in a braid because that really helps me to focus on my studies. So that's a tip for you guys. If you're a girl and you have long hair, just tie them back so they won't bother you and you will be able to concentrate better. And some of you guys requested me to make a video on study tips basically, so I think that could be the next video. I'm not sure yet. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead, eat my breakfast and do some physics. Hey guys, so right now it is around 2:40 p.m. and I'm done with studying for now. I'm like very tired, so I'm just probably gonna watch some YouTube videos and play Among Us. I'm not a kind of girl who likes to play games a lot. I'm more of a social media person, but Among Us is one of my favorite things to do right now in like terms of time passing. It's really good, and yeah, that is my plan for now. I'm not gonna have my lunch right now because I'm not hungry at all. I will probably update you guys a little bit later, you guys. Yeah, that's all I had to say. Bye. Hey guys, so right now it's 5 p.m. and I know it has been a little bit long since I've updated you guys, but I haven't been doing much. I've just played Among Us and some YouTube videos, and yeah, just rested for a little bit, and now I'm back at my place to study again. I just want to complete this chapter today. I've been dragging this chapter along for like 2 weeks now and I just want to finish it. Like, who takes that long? I just procrastinate a lot, but if I focus, I can manage to focus for long. That's a pretty good thing about me. At least I think that's pretty good. So yeah, now I'm just gonna complete my physics wala chapter. I hope I can complete this in one sitting because I don't want to study again at night. I mean, I do want to, but not physics again. And believe it or not, physics is one of my favorite subjects, like physics and maths. I don't like chemistry that much, but it's okay. I have to do it because with physics and maths comes chemistry. You can't do anything about it. And guys, I also have some snacks with me because I was feeling a little bit hungry, not that much. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what I have with me. So I have this pack of Takatak and I have this choco pie with me, and yeah, I'll just munch on them while studying. So let's just get started again with the studying, and I want to show you guys the mess around here. Like, it's really messy here. Just see it for yourself. Like, look at that, guys. There's just like so much here. Those are my highlighters, and this is the way I highlight my book. I love colors, so this makes me read them again and again. So yeah. So guys, right now it's like 8 p.m. and my chapter is still not complete. I don't think I'll be able to do maths today, but it is okay. So I'm on the verge of completing my chapter, only there are like some concepts left which I'm not able to understand, so I'm gonna use YouTube for that. So I have my laptop right here with me for that, and that is only gonna like take me around like I guess 1.5 or 2 hours. So I hope that at least this gets completed today because this is my main priority today. So right now I'm just gonna open YouTube on my laptop and just understand the concepts that I couldn't understand, and after that I'll update you guys. And as you guys can see, I've changed my room as well. I've come to my bedroom because I was just tired of studying there whole day. I was just so done, so I came here and I have my headphones with me, all ready for studying. You guys have no idea how badly I want to complete this chapter today. So without rambling more than this, I'm just gonna study. And also guys, if you're at this point of the video, then comment down below that you're subscribed to my channel. And for that, obviously you have to subscribe kar lo. And yeah, now I'm just gonna study. Hey guys, so I am finally done with that chapter. I was like, oh my god, I'm so happy. I finally did it, and right now it's 9:30 and I thought like, I did a lot today. Why not just, pamper myself, reward myself basically. So I decided to do this little pamper session. I'm using this face mask, this clay mask from Nykaa. It's the Clay It Cool collection. It's the one anti-acne and I've never used it before. So, a little backstory. I've been getting a little bit of acne here and there recently. Not a lot. It's not a lot at all. I'll give you guys a close-up of my skin just in a second after I open it. So guys, I've opened it and this is what it looks like from close. It's clay, so it's a bit hard. It's not easy, like it's not very watery or liquidy. It's kind of hard because it's clay, and I have oily skin, so it's the best for me. If you have oily skin, use a clay mask. You will thank yourself or me or whoever suggested you that. So I'm gonna apply that, and for the close-up, here it is. My skin is like, it's like not that bad, as you guys can see. It's like a little bit of acne here and there, so we're just gonna quickly apply this mask on my face and chill. I will probably edit this video. So guys, I've applied the mask and I know I look like a ghost right now, but this is gonna do like very good things to my skin, so I don't really care. Yeah, and I can already feel it doing a little bit of tingling sensation on my face, so I'm just gonna keep it on for like 15 to 30 minutes, probably more than that, because I'm gonna go watch KBC. And after that, we will watch Bigg Boss because I'm already done with my studies. I don't like to study at night. I know that some students like to study whole night, but I cannot stay awake. That is not my cup of tea. I don't like to study at night. That's not my thing at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it on for some time. And also guys, I've used this little applicator to apply my mask. If you guys can see, it's from Nykaa as well. Most of my skincare and other stuff is from Nykaa. I really love them. So that's you guys, is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that you never miss any new video from me. And also comment down below how many hours you study every day, because mine is on an average of 5 to 6, sometimes 4. Can't do more than that. So yeah, this was a typical study day in my life. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, then comment down below also, and give this video a big thumbs up because that really helps me to grow my YouTube channel, and your guys' support means the absolute world to me. And yeah, now I'm just ending the video. And one more thing that I wanted to say is that thank you for showing so much love on one of my previous videos that was a study vlog as well. You guys really seem to loved it. Thank you very much for that. I'm so grateful. And it's already the end of October. Exams are coming soon. I have to like do a lot of studies now because I haven't been consistent with them lately, because I give most of my time to YouTube because this is my priority. Absolutely. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in my next one. Bye bye.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.